Hey guys, welcome back to Faro Iron and Customs. It's time for another Friday night in the shop with Michael. Tonight we're in my shop. Gonna be working on that 8.8 rear end again, talking about some things coming up. What I've been doing today, I don't know if y'all can see that. I put a boot on the chimney, so I'm hoping that's gonna take care of my water leaks. I have a video coming out. It's probably going to come out on Wednesday because I want to do another video tomorrow for Sunday. That's going to be the 100th video on the channel. But I'm making a knife and come out here and got it epoxied together. So it's sitting there drying, hanging out. And I did a little bit of cleaning in the shop. We're not there yet. We're a long way from there. But I did clean for about an hour and a half or so. A lot of this stuff is stuff that I want to get rid of, but I don't want to get rid of it until I get the floor in the car. As soon as I get this knife done and get Glenn's truck finished, we're going to be back on this car hard, get the floor, get the rear end in it, get something in the front where we can steer it. I'm going to get the new tires, the new wheels painted up, and the tires installed on the car, and that's what we have coming up shortly. So what was I going to do tonight? Tonight I'm just getting this. I need to get this 8.8 down off of this stand. I need to get it out of the middle of the floor. It needs to be hanging out behind the car, getting ready to go up underneath the back of the car. It has spent way too much time up here. Of course, July was kind of a really screwed up month. You know, I had COVID for 2 weeks, and that kind of stopped everything, and it even stopped it for a couple weeks after that. You know, it's just one thing to another. Life happens, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this without the fan, guys. I apologize if I got to turn that fan on, but it's not hot, but it is Carolina humid. So I'm gonna get this camera set up, pointed down here at this axle, and we're gonna get started finishing up this axle. Alright guys, like I said, I apologize. I had to turn that fan back on. Actually, I'm going to drag it over here where it's a little closer to me. I hope that it's not too noisy. I think I'm going to see about getting a microphone. I want to get better, I do want to get some better editing software. I've actually got a lot of things in my mind that I have going on. I can't find my bearing installer tool, so I'm just going to use a drift. It'll be real easy. Actually, yeah, that's fine. Hang on, let me grab this other bearing. Hopefully we won't drive too far in there to get it back out. Grab this chair. I'm telling you guys, it's not hot, but it is very humid. Very humid in North Carolina. So I'm just using the old race. Like I said before, when we were originally doing this and put the pinion in, I'm just going to add a little grease inside of the seal. That kind of helps keep the spring from popping out. I mean, you know, it's not that big of a problem usually, but you know, it's just something that an older, well, like I said, I think I said then I said older mechanic, but he wasn't really that much older than I am. Still, I mean, he still isn't that much older than I am. And then of course put a little bit of grease on your seal. Grab a towel and wipe the grease off your fingers. Wipe the sweat off your face. Alright, we're going to take this and I usually don't use a seal installer tool. they're available. I know lots of times at the dealership, and I worked for General Motors and for Ford and Toyota dealership. They'll have self-installer tools in their special service kits, but I find you just got to be real careful. Start from one side, just work yourself around, and you don't really need one. I mean, you know, if you want to get a little grease on the bearing, just get a little grease on there, and that'll be good. Alright, so I'm going to grab the C-locks and, well, let's talk about what's coming up. Alright, so I want to get back to posting a Friday night video when I can. Let's see, the camera cannot see me. Let me grab a chair. I want to get back to posting a Friday night video when I can. Try to come out here and work as much on Friday as I can. But with that being said, it's starting to get cooler weather. If it hadn't been raining tonight and tomorrow, 30% chance of rain tomorrow, we probably would have went and got on the boat. So, excuse me. All right. So yeah, we probably would have went and got on the boat. But since it's raining, we're gonna hang out here at the house and get some stuff done around here. So with that being said, if it's nice and we can get on the boat, I'm gonna go and get on the boat and enjoy it as much as I can until it gets too cold to go down there. Second thing is, so that's, I'm gonna try to post as many Friday night videos as I can. And if it's a situation like tonight where I'm working until Valerie comes home, you know, I might still be able to get a video out. It just may not have as much content in it. Next thing is I want to go back to making sure I'm posting a Sunday video. So that'll be whatever I'm working on during the week. You know, Friday night may just be like a, you know, forge side chat, or, you know, garage side chat, or just, you know, something, you know, whatever, you know, like I said, I just want it to be kind of fun, hang out in the shop type thing. And I'm gonna try my best to start on Wednesday. I'm setting it aside. I have a 620 John Deere tractor. It's a 1957 two-cylinder. I think the cubic inches on it is 316. All right, got some juice on the battery. Got to remember to leave that hooked up. So anyway, oh, I was gonna say Wednesday, and the videos will probably post on Thursday. It's gonna be back to working on that tractor. It's a two-cylinder John Deere from 1957 gasoline tractor. Actually, it's technically an all-fuel tractor, and that means it will run off of tractor fuel or gasoline, or, you know, or kerosene. You know, not diesel, obviously, but so I'm going to get back to work on that. First thing I got to do is pull the head back off, because I'm hoping that we don't have to spend a lot of money in it. It seems like there's something in one of the cylinders on it. Well, I'm going to go and say this. We're going to do whatever we got to do to get it to where it's freed up, and, you know, whatever we got to do to get it running. Getting new pistons and getting it bored out again is not an option. So at this point, so we got that, and that's going to take several Wednesdays. Like I said, that probably just going to be me out there piddling for like an hour or two in the afternoon, and that's it. We're going to paint the wife's car coming up. I got to get the rear axle underneath this and get the front axle under it. Probably going to go ahead and get it bagged. I want to get the before we try to move it, I want to get the floorboard, the floor pans back in it, so we can get all that painted up, move the car out of the shop, put it back in the back building, and get her car in here, get it stripped down, and get it painted. But before we can put the floor pans in, we got to put the engine, transmission, and rear end, so we'll know where the drive shaft tunnel has got to go, where the transmission tunnel's got to go, because we're changing transmissions. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, we got a lot of stuff coming up. I'm hoping that, like I said, this is going to be video 99. I'm gonna work on video 100 tomorrow. I'm hoping that's going to be kind of a fun video that draws the forging part of Faro Iron and Customs to the automotive part. So y'all come back and see that. That video should post on Sunday. And yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe. I'm going to get over here and finish getting this axle put back together. May do a shot of that whenever I get done, just so this video won't be like an hour long. And yeah, and that's it. I'll see y'all later. Alright guys, there she is. I haven't painted the bottom of the axles approximately where the post perches are going to go. And haven't put the brakes on yet. Going to wait for the paint to dry, so I don't, you know, well, it's not going to matter that much. I'll just touch it up one way or the other. It's going to get scraped up running around on this floor anyway. So anyway, I thank y'all for watching. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and be looking for the 100th video. I'll go on and tell you what we're probably going to be doing is we're going to be taking the axle shaft that came out of the left side of the Explorer, and we're going to be making a body hammer in the forge. So I hope that's interesting to y'all. If it's not, watch what you like, don't watch what you don't like. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for leaving the comments down below. I'll see y'all later.